Dear children, representation of relief on topo sheets we are going to see in this class. On a topo sheet, counters, benchmarks and spot heights are used to show different relief features. This is the topo sheet. You see, counters show relief features on a topo sheet. In a topo sheet, counters will show the relief features on a topo sheet. Then you can see here counters. The difference between the values of any two successive counters is known as the counter interval. What is called as counter interval? The difference between the value of any two successive counters is known as the counter interval. Then the horizontal distance between any two successive counters is known as the horizontal equivalent. What is called as horizontal equivalent? The horizontal distance between any two successive counters is known as the horizontal equivalent. Here you can see that counters. What are the characters of the counters? The counters have the characters. You see the following characters are there. They are shown in brown. They are marked with the number called the counter value. The counter value shows the height of the land in meters. You see this diagram, we can see, dear children, you take one paper, okay, and you see, first you see depiction of slope. Here the depiction of slope is mentioned in this counter. You see O here vertical interval. This is the vertical interval. Then this is the horizontal equivalent. Then here CI, 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 VI, HE, horizontal, that is VI means what? Vertical interval. CI means counter interval. What are the counter intervals? This is, each box are counter intervals. Then here you come, that is a slope. First one vertical interval, horizontal equivalent, then vertical interval, then horizontal equivalent. Like this it shows. What are the features? What are the things shown in the counters? The vertical intervals and horizontal equivalents are shown in this counter. Then we can see the several. What are the things? Types of slopes. Some slopes are uniform, some slopes are gentle, then some slopes are steep, then undulating, concave, convex. Okay, like this, these slopes. Then these slopes are above the mean sea level. Then here you see the counter value 0 represents the coastline. The coastline is mentioned represented as the 0 in the, you see the counter value is 0 in the coastline. Then they neither start nor end abruptly in a given area. The counters of different values can touch each other, but they do not cross each other. They can touch, but they cannot cross each other. The spacing between the counters shows the nature of the slopes of the land. You see, identification of slopes is the distance between any two successive counters indicates the slope of the land. The different type of slopes indicated by counters are as follows. The uniform slopes. What are the slopes? The uniform slopes, gentle slopes, steep slopes, and undulating slope and concave slope. These slopes are shown in that figure here. In this figure, these slopes are shown. What are the slopes are there? Uniform slopes, gentle slopes, steep slopes, undulating slope and concave slope. Then we can see clearly about these slopes and the continuation of the lesson in the next class. Okay, dear children, wait for the next class on Friday. We can see. Thank you, children. Thank you. God bless you all.